He's got something wrong with his feet. But he's missing a big claw on the back, one on the left. Look, it's not there. And then he's got deformed ones on the front. Something's happened to this poor fella. This is crap on your foot. That's why I can identify him. I told him he's my favourite bird. Look, he's all damaged. It's like something bad's happened to him. Poor thing. But I'll look after him. Wish he could be my pet. I'd look after him. He's getting slowly getting tamed towards me. Just keep the other birds away from him. So talk to you later. Bye.